you know. Anyway, so these are the 311s. Set they're in the lineup for getting finished, and these are the 44 by 37 special chamber and 220 horsepower pump gas. Okay, so now they're all welded up. The chamber, I just finished the chamber, and now of course I'm going to surface this and do the spark plug holes, and then I will do the valve seats. So I'm going to have to pilot off the valve guide, put some semi-fresh guides in there so I can make sure it's accurate. And yeah, this is a tricky part of the job, getting those valve seats to line up perfectly square. So because there's so much material there, I'm going to do the cut on the chamber to make it easier for me to do that and get rid of some of this material. So anyway, stay tuned. Alright, so 220 horse pump gas, 311 race heads in the works again. So gotta get these done. So have a wonderful day. We'll see you later. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.